Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Explorer Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the lovely Active Comfort package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust at the bottom here, tow hitch receiver with rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well, some nice black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection. You do get a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, with the license plate bracket and the nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You get hooks and doodads, 12-volt lights, all that jazz. The collapse you'll ask for, you just pull that forward, and your seat will go down automatically. Cup holders, tons of cargo space with 2 USB-Cs, and you can just lift it up by this, and to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice light gray leather interior, red stitching, cloth accents, with plenty of door space in the back, leathering on the door, floor mats, steps to get to the back. You can lift this up and slide your seat forward and back for your 2 additional seats. You do get rear climate controls, USB-Cs, 12-volt, and storage with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.6 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone, voice, media, volume mute, cruise control, and looking here, we do get a digital speedometer with the digital RPMs, with my view, trip and fuel status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, and phone. And to my right, we get our gear select, park make, drive modes, cup holders, and tons of storage with tons of outlets. More storage below. Little storage cubby here with the leathering on the dash. Volume, auto stop and start, park sensing, hazards, and your backup camera. Traction and auto hold, storage below. Nice big infotainment system that is going to be powered by Google with your climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, maps, phone, personal profiles, and your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Google News, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and clicking into your maps here, if you want it to load, there we go. Connect your Google device, pretty easy to use as well. Vehicle settings such as your hill, brightness, valet mode, vehicle status settings, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle like that, and open your liftgate, and all your Google apps and apps in general will be found in here, with Play Store, Google Assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, messaging, YouTube, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB34905, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.